I've gotten myself in trouble before with modifying the transform. Alright, anyway, draw rect takes a CG rect. Oops. Keep using the terminal copy, which is Control-Shift-C when you want to take something out instead of just killing it. Why did it do that? Why didn't it copy it? Well, anyway, I think it's just CG rect. Rect. Let's try that. Still not found, eh? Do I need to include the header? Yeah, I think so. And that should be UI kit. No, that's already in. That has to be there. And UIKit.h, which is included from the header. Is it a pointer? No. Draw rec not found. Did it save? Oh, yeah, right. Sure. UI slider may not respond to view did load. Is that true? I thought it was a view. Or maybe need a controller for the slider. Oh. There's no view did load, but we don't have to wait for the view to load, right? Just put right here. I felt like there's something I needed to. Yeah, I don't need this anymore. So, 2 sliders, one's vertical. So we'll be very surprised if this works. Hey, we want the position to be much lower. So, guy on the left. So this is the position. We have it now. Starting at the top, the x is 0, and then it's this large. We are going to change that. Wait. See, this is where the transforms start to mess with you. So it's this large, and we want it to be a horizontal thing, because the transform happens after. If that's the case, we can leave it be, except we want the height to be a lot larger. In fact, I think we want view.frame.size .height divided by 2. Let's try that. Let's just try it. Yeah, so this will do something. I think to put one thing on the far left and one thing vertically in the middle. Yeah, you have to self that the way. The line below actually uses that with the width. Alright, what do you think? Work? Don't work? Don't work. Wait, didn't. Here's the moment of truth. Oh, it's kind of there. But does the finger do anything? Unfortunately, it's overlapping with the guy. Hold on. Yeah, it works vertically. See, I can change the position of the thumb, which is good. Let's get one with 2 parameters and see. So right now, for some reason, they're in the middle, and the transform seems to apply to the touch coordinates, which is great, so I don't have to worry about that. Yeah. And let me see, just make sure it works. So, what's an effect? Phaser. Always using phaser. So phaser with a low bandwidth and high frequency.
No, this is a long sound.
It's kind of funny.
I'm saying
low frequency and high bandwidth.
no, this is a long sound. I'm saying long sounds with O's and E's and I's and Oo's.
Yeah, well, it works.
And that's all, really.
Let's get those sliders in the right place. I don't know why they are the way they were. So we're going. Let's draw. Yeah, so they were here and here, like this. I thought they would have been here and here. That might be related to the transform. So 0, low. Yeah, honestly, I have no idea why they are like that. Okay, I have a theory as to why that is. I think it takes the middle of the X, and that becomes the position. That would make sense if you allowed vertical stuff, right? Because, so the 0 X start is here, X end is here, so it picks the point in the middle. Logical. So, I guess we just make this guy 0 as well. We'll just make something like 10. Well, really, it should be the height, right? And the height should now be actually this guy. And we're not going to take the whole thing, but maybe 7.5 is good enough. Let's try that. Yeah, so this gets us, did I pick run? Maybe I didn't hit run. Yeah. Oh, I have to slide the thing. This isn't right. What's that? It has a very small height. Could it be, what was wrong about the way the You know, this rec might be like... Let's look up CG rec make, because sometimes it confuses me. The insets, for example, are really weird. Yeah, it'd be nice if there was a... Yeah, this is what I thought, XY width height. You know what? No, I don't. Okay. Yeah, that wasn't so helpful, as is often the case. One thing I noticed was the actual height of the thing ended up being 30 pixels. So it looks like this guy, which used to be the width, still now controls the height. That must be because of the whatchamacallit transform. So I think this will do the right thing now. Just worth testing at least. This isn't like understanding, this is just a ooh, interesting. So this is what I get for the case where you have one. No, there's actually two. One's off screen. Looks like the one on the right is off screen. That's probably because I messed around with the other parameter too. So let's see. Alright, so before this used to be 0, right? No, this used to be a little bit lower. Ooh, this is strange. Why is the second parameter half of the height? The y essentially becomes the x. So maybe I want a 0 here. This is weird, but it might work. What do you think? What do you think? And if that's true, this now becomes 1. I really doubt that's true though. Ooh, I'm not understanding something. Alright, let's see.
No.
Okay, now nothing's on screen.
This is a long sound. I'm just seeing long sounds with O's and E.
Alright.